All right, guys, this is a message to all the Honda owners, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, above 2013 and above. If your alternator fails, put an original alternator. I have not seen a car that come to me that got an aftermarket alternator and didn't go bad within weeks. So this is like the 5th alternator I'm changing. So I picked up this alternator original from the dealer, as you can see, Honda. Okay, original stuff. That thing was like 500 bucks, and this one is like 600 bucks. So what's the difference? Put original on it. Why do the job twice? Now if you don't have a cord, they're gonna charge me a cord here. Anyway, guys, hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully this video sends you a message. If you got a Honda Accord, CRV, HRV, Civic, it doesn't matter what kind of Honda it is, put in an original alternator. Don't be foolish. Don't listen to any of your mechanics. Don't go to a random shop, your alternator failed on the road and you gotta get a aftermarket. Wait a day or two. These things are back order. So go around, looking around to other dealerships, see who has it. So check out what I discovered here. And this alternator was only about 4 months old, and it failed. Customer said it within 2-3 weeks she started getting signed again, and she didn't even ask me. She made us do that, but we told the original. But at that time, she had no choice because the pandemic time, we had no choice but to put that in. And this was on back order, so this was the last one. Okay, so check out the power that I'm gonna show you just about now. I did a voltmeter test on the battery and the output. Anyways, let's continue and check that out. So what I want to do is, like I made a video, if you're gonna change the alternator, go original. Okay, so in the dash you got all kinds of lights coming up, and also check power, check charging system comes on, and the steering gets really hard. So let's go into the hood. Alternator voltage, look at that, 19 volts. Okay, that thing is giving 19 volts. That's gonna blow things up. And what the computer is trying to compensate is trying to shut everything off. So you see the steering just got hard. It's locked. Check charging system. So this is a bad alternator. So once it's completed, we got a new alternator in there and original. So right now we got a power in here. We're gonna let the battery drain a little bit because it's been overcharged. So let's fix our leads here, and we're gonna start up the car to see what kind of output we got from the alternator. Should be 13 above, but let's see what we get. Steering is nice and good, and everything goes back to normal. No lights in the dash. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this here. So there you go. It's down to 1427, but that's where it should be at. 13 above is normal, 14 volts, perfect. All right, guys, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you guys got this issue, all these codes, this is what it is. Anyways, bye bye.